guys, welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing great. So I hope you guys can hear me because it is raining a lot right now. So anyway, a couple weeks ago I did upload a office slash room tour. So I did change the whole layout and furniture of my office, but for today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys what's on my office, what's on my desk, or what's in my desk. And I hope you guys enjoy that, and if you guys do, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down there for more videos like this one. And we're going to be having random videos every Friday, so make sure to keep on the lookout for that. And let's get started. So this is my desk, you guys. I have a stool and a white chair. So I'm going to show you everything that I have here first. So I have a box from my phone that I have using right now to film this video, my Samsung Galaxy S7, some notepad, sticky notes, this purse that it can also be a backpack that I got at a thrift store. I also got this keyboard at the thrift store for $5, and it works pretty good with my iPad. This book for anatomy and physiology that I also got at the thrift store, my weekly planner, a notebook, this 365 the Happy Planner stickers that I got thrift store for $4.50, and it was originally $19.99. I have right here some pencils, markers, Sharpies, artificial flower that I got for my birthday. This my fold away mirror that I think I'm gonna do a review on it on this channel. I also got this cup that's a mug for coffee, but I think it's really cute, so I decided to put like some pencils and some highlighters and some of my favorite pens. Some notebooks, a binder. I also have right here this flash drive that I really love. It's 128 gigabytes and it can be used for computer, for phones. Can also be used for an iPad, and it also has adapter for other types of phones like the Samsung Galaxy S8. Notebooks right here. This stationery box that I got also at the thrift store. I'm gonna try to open it. So it comes with a scissors, little stapler, a mini like measuring thingy, ruler, tape. My laptop right here. My light is right there. My USB drive that's 128 gigabytes to save all my videos. I also got this Kleenex to clean my desk. I have some pencils, glue, rulers, little clips, erasers, and so that's what I have right here. And up here I have like all this, some cameras. I'm thinking about doing my camera collection video, so let me know if you guys want to see that. So I have this Yeti that I use for my ASMR videos. That I have another channel. If you guys want to go check it out, I'll leave it down in the description box. I also have this Canon vintage camera that was given to my dad as a gift from my client. Another vintage camera, a follow your dreams like sign, some little clay models that my sister did for my 23 birthday. I'm not 28 yet, for my 23rd birthday. Some paper hearts that she also did. My Canon T6i, the charger, this little cute thing that she did back there, this flower thing right there. So that's what I have right here. In here we have just like some boxes, storage. I have some LED lights right there, a artificial flower, a little L that I did as a DIY, some gift bags, my old laptop, and so that's basically everything that I have right here. I have like electronic cables and all that stuff. So that's basically everything. Oh no, I'm forgetting something. I have this little drawer right here that has like notebooks, book covers, and many other stuff. So that's basically everything for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.